Hello student, welcome to my class. Today we will take detailed information about physiography and drainage of India and Brazil. What is meant by physiography? It means physical geography, means topography. In this part, we will see the physiographic division of India and Brazil. Now what is meant by drainage? It means river system. This chapter is about the comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to physiography and drainage. It will help in understanding the reasons for differences in population distribution, occupation of India and Brazil. Now, you know that in some areas population is very dense and in some area population is very sparse. So why is it so? So it is closely related to physiography. Physiography and drainage affect the climate, natural vegetation and wildlife as well as population distribution of a nation. For example, physiography affect climate. How it affect? You know, in mountainous region, the climate is very cool. Then natural vegetation means different type of trees we see there. Accordingly, wildlife is also different. And population distribution, you know that in mountainous area, the population is very sparse. Like the same, drainage system also affect climate, natural vegetation, wildlife, population distribution of a nation. Okay, then let us start the lesson physiography and drainage. Okay, see student, this is the map of India, physical map of India. You should observe this map very carefully. When there is map observation, you should see the index. Okay. So here altitude is shown in using different colors. Altitude means what? Height. Now see this green color is used for plain area, sea level area. As we go upward, so the shades are different and the height is increased. So these colors are used for mountainous area means high altitude area. Okay. Now in this map, I will show you the 5 divisions, physiographic division of India. There are 5 divisions. First division is the Himalayas. Let us see on the map in northern side, the dark color is used to show mountainous area. So this Himalaya mountain ranges start from this like this in eastern side. Himalaya mountain ranges are spread. Now second division is the North Indian Plains. It spread the southern side of Himalaya mountain here. It starts from Rajasthan, then Punjab, Haryana, like this, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and eastern side like this, Assam. This is the way the second division, the North Indian Plains spread. Third division is the Peninsula. It spread the southern side of North Indian Plain. Here, there are 2 divisions in Peninsula. The central highland is here and southern side there is Deccan Plateau like this. Okay, and the last division, the fourth division is coastal plains. The coastal plains are here, eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain like this. And the fifth division is island groups. In Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island Groups is there, and in Bay of Bengal, here Andaman and Nicobar Island Groups are here. Okay, so these are the five physiographic division of India. Now we will see each division in detail. First division, the Himalayas. Himalaya is one of the young fold mountains in the world, and it is a major mountain system of the Asian continent. Now, fold mountain means what? Last year you studied in ninth standard how the fold mountains are formed. Energy is transferred from the interior of the earth, and because of these energy waves and pressure working towards each other and in horizontal direction, the layer of the soft rock form fold, and if the pressure is very high, large scale folds are formed. So this is the way fold mountains are formed. In India, Himalayas extend from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Himalayas range in south to north direction. See, the map is shown here. In that the ranges are shown. See, I will show on the map from north to eastern side, that is Arunachal Pradesh. See the direction, very southernmost part, Shivalik mountain range is here. See number 3. Then northern side of it is Lesser Himalaya, that is number 2. And very northernmost Himalaya mountain range is Great Himalaya, that is number 1. And many Trans-Himalaya ranges are located to the north of Himalaya ranges. So these are the ranges in south to north direction. Now see in this map, the mountain ranges are also divided into Western Himalayas. See in the map, Western Himalaya, that is in Kashmir Himalaya. Then Central Himalaya, that is in Sikkim. It is also called Kumaon Himalaya. And Eastern Himalaya, that is in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So the Himalaya ranges in west to east direction. The second physiographic division of India is the North Indian Plains. This division lies between Himalaya mountain range. See Himalaya mountain range in the north, and south side there is Peninsular Plateau. So in between these two divisions, this green color part is shown, that is North Indian Plain. It extends from, see, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, from the west to eastern side Assam. It is mostly a flat lowline area, and the divisions are Ganga Plain, Thar Desert, and Punjab Haryana Plains. Let's see the features of Ganga Plain. The delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, it is called Sundarbans, extend in the state of West Bengal in India and Bangladesh, the neighboring country. Delta means what? You know very well. In previous class, you studied it. Delta means the depositional work of the rivers, both rivers that is Ganga and Brahmaputra at the mouth of the river, that is called delta. Sundarban is the largest delta region in the world. So remember this. Features of Thar Desert. Thar Desert is also called Marusthali. The western part of North Indian Plains is occupied by Thar Desert. It is located in the state of Rajasthan. See in the map, it is shown in Rajasthan. Features of Punjab Haryana Plains. It lies to the north of Thar Desert. This plain have formed as a result of the depositional work of river Satluj and its tributaries. The slope of the plain is towards the west, and because the soil here is very fertile, agriculture is largely practiced in this region. The next physiographic division is the Peninsular Plateau. This area is lying to the south of North Indian Plains. See, North Indian Plains and the southern side of North Indian Plain, and tapering towards the Indian Ocean. See, here is Indian Ocean. Tapering towards means what? It is reducing gradually. See here, narrow down in the southern side towards the Indian Ocean. It includes series of plateaus. It consists two broad divisions, that is Central Highland here and Deccan Plateau to the southern side of Central Highland. So it is triangular in shape. The mountain ranges are here Aravalli in Rajasthan, northern part here. Then Vindhya and Satpura mountain ranges in central part, and Western Ghat in western side, Eastern Ghat in eastern side. The next division is the coastal plains. India is blessed with a long coastal line extending for approximately 7,500 km. It lies to the western and eastern part of the peninsula. Right now we have seen in the map. Its western and eastern coastal lines show remarkable dissimilarities. They are not similar. The western coast borders the Arabian Sea. It is by and large a rocky coast. Its width is also less. Rivers originating from Western Ghats are short and swift, and hence they form estuaries and not deltas. See in the picture, estuary is shown. Now, Eastern Ghat. The eastern coast borders The Bay of Bengal. It has formed as a result of depositional work of rivers. Many east-flowing rivers flowing from the western and eastern Ghat meet Bay of Bengal. Because of the gentle slope of the land, rivers flow at lower velocities and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. As a result, deltas are found along this coast. Delta means what? I explained in previous part. Okay. The fifth and the last physiographic division is the island group. India has many small and large islands along the coast of mainland. These are included in the coastal island group. Besides, India has two large island groups, one each in the Arabian Sea and in Bay of Bengal. The islands in Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep, whereas the islands in Bay of Bengal are called Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I have shown in previous part in the map. Okay. So the islands located in Arabian Sea, they are atoll islands, means ring-shaped coral reef which are small in extent and not very high. Now see the features of Andaman Nicobar Island Group. They are mainly volcanic islands, comparatively large in extent and have hilly regions in their interior. Barren Island has the only active volcano in India. See in the picture it is shown. Okay. So these are the five main physiographic divisions of India. Okay children. So in next part we will take information about physiographic divisions of Brazil. Okay. Thank you.